Yo, what is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be picking the lucky winner for the Rider Bag Backpack. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to this website. It's a random comment picker. So it's just kind of the easiest way to do it, and you guys don't have to do all kinds of crap to enter the giveaway. So that's why I said just leave a comment on the video. So for those of you that did, thank you. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and paste our video in here, and we're gonna hit fetch. So 3, 2, 1. Let's no replies, anything goes, continue. Alright, so we got 5 comments. Not very many, but hey, gives you guys more odds to win, I guess. So alright, let's pick a winner. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so Peter Infinite 6187, you are today's winner. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway and leaving your feedback, and thank you all for supporting the channel. It means everything to me. You know, without you guys, this channel would be nothing. So appreciate all your guys' support, and you know, watching the content, liking the videos, and leaving your comments. So I appreciate it. And then also, if you guys could, you know, just be more active in the comment section. You know, let me know what you guys like, what you don't like. It really helps guide me with this channel and the type of content that we're going to be doing here. There was an Easter egg in the giveaway video, so I know some of you figured it out and maybe some of you didn't. But yeah, so there's going to be some interesting stuff coming to the channel. It should kind of shape some different content that we're going to be doing. But any and all information really does help. You know, if there's a certain type of video that you like or don't like, if there's something you want to see more, you know, it just helps the channel not be so random, I guess, because, you know, at this point it just kind of figure something out, go do it, and then hope I can make a video out of it. So, you know, motovlogging's a bit more difficult than other type of niches, because, you know, if you go out and ride and nothing happens, it's hard to make a video out of that. So anyways, appreciate you all for 10K, and you know, let's hope we could do another 10K. You know, let's shoot for, I know it's crazy, but let's shoot for another 10K by the end of the year. See if we can make that happen. That would be huge, big goal of mine. So if you guys can help in any way, I appreciate it. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all for entering the giveaway, and congratulations to Peter for winning. And don't worry, guys, for those that didn't win this time, I think I have another giveaway lined up. It's going to be something different coming up pretty soon, but we'll go ahead and get into that a little bit later. But for those of you that didn't win, we do have some in the near future. So thank you all so much, and like always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Also, real quick, I forgot to add Peter. I see you said you don't have Instagram, so if you could just leave a comment on this video with the way that I can contact you, so we can get this backpack shipped over to you.